everyone! Today we're going to draw this cute little doll, step by step. So grab your pen and let's get started. Glitty Art English! First, I'm going to draw the hair part at the top. Next, I'll draw the shape of the face. After that, I'll add 2 ears, 2 big round eyes, the eyebrows, a small nose, and a smiling mouth. Now, it's time to draw the body shape. Then, I'll sketch the outline of the dress. Inside the dress, I'll add some beautiful designs to make it look even prettier. After that, I'll draw 2 hand shapes on both sides. I'll draw a cute crown above her head. And finally, I'll complete the hair by drawing the outer hair shape around the face and body. All right, now it's coloring time. First, I'll color the eye lenses and all the hair with black glitter. Then I'll color the area around the eye lenses with glitter gray. Next, I'll color the crown and the 2 buttons on the dress with bright glitter red. After that, I'll use glitter yellow to color the face and hands. Now for the dress! I'll color the shoulder part and 2 sections of the dress with glitter blue. Then, I'll color 3 layers of the dress with shiny glitter pink. And finally, I'll fill the remaining parts with a beautiful glitter green. And that's it! Our cute doll is ready and sparkling beautifully. Thanks for drawing with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.